Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. In this video we will make soft pastry buns with green lentils. You can also make soft breads in the pan with the dough to be made. Materials: 1.2 liters of 1200 grams of warm water, 50 grams of sugar and 50 grams of salt, 50 grams of dry yeast, 200 grams of oil, 2 kilograms of wheat flour, 2 egg whites, to be used for brushing on egg yolks. A large bowl is required for kneading the dough. Separate egg whites and yolks. Add the egg whites. Add dry yeast, sugar, salt and warm water, mix. Add half the flour, add oil and mix 2 minutes. Cover the egg yolks. Add the rest of the flour and start kneading the dough. You can add a little more flour depending on the consistency. Transfer it to the counter and knead the dough well, it should be smooth. Stretch the dough. Divide the dough into equal parts by squeezing it with your hands. Can be up to 100 grams. Let's roll the dough on the counter and place it intermittently. It is necessary to wait here for 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Sprinkle some flour on the dough and cover it with a plastic bag. After boiling the green lentils, drain the water. After frying with a little finely chopped onion and oil, cool it and add chili pepper, black pepper and salt. When I did this, they couldn't understand that it was green lentils, it was like a mincemeat bun. Now it's time to roll out the dough. It was tried in a previous video, using this roti maker dough roller. The dough will be rolled out in a round shape. Add some flour to the dough and place it in the press section. By pressing the pressing lever, you will roll out thin or slightly thick dough. Don't make too thin dough to make donuts. It will be enough to expand a little. green lentils and press the edges to paste. Place on the baking tray. No need to add oil or baking paper to the tray.
Muhteşem.
Add egg yolk to the buns. Add some sesame seeds and black cumin. It will be baked in the oven at 160 degrees for 18 minutes. If a little dough is too much, you can cook it in a pan this way. It will be soft and delicious. You can wrap it by putting some butter and cheese in it. Take the buns out of the oven and leave for 10 minutes before serving. When the top and bottom of the buns are sufficiently browned, we can say that they are ready for service. I can say that the texture is soft and quite tasty. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to donate, you can specify in the comments. Don't forget to click the like button. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.